Today, NVIDIA was trading right between my two strikes, so the decision was easy. I just rolled both the put and the call out 7 days. What I love about trading options is that I can generate income from anywhere, as long as I've got Wi-Fi and my computer. Right now, I'm on the porch of my beach house on Oak Island, North Carolina, with the Atlantic Ocean behind me and my neighbor's beautifully landscaped yard in front of me. My sister and her 3 young grandsons will be here later today, so I'm enjoying the quiet while I record this update. With NVIDIA trading at about 177 or 176 today, my $170 cash secured put and the $185 covered call are both set to expire out of the money. So today's decisions are really easy. I'm just going to straight roll both of them. First, I click on the put, roll selected. I will be buying to close the September 19th put and selling to open a new put expiring on September 26th, and I can expect a net credit of about $86 or $87. Now I will roll the covered call. Keeping the same strike price, I'm buying to close the September 9th call that is expiring today and selling to open a new one that expires in 7 days, and I can expect a net credit of about $60 or $61. I check my filled orders to see how much I actually received for them. Since I'm here at Mom's Beach House on Oak Island, it's a good time to mention my Investing for Real Life playlist. I'm building the playlist to create a broader look at how financial planning fits into everyday life. Not just the trades and spreadsheets, but also real goals, family, and what matters most. I rolled the put for 87 and the call for 65. Now I'll get my color coding right. These two I turned pink because they are now closed. The open covered call is blue and the open put is green. My annualized rate of return for the cash secured put this week is 19.53% and the covered call is 25.36%. Now I'll go back and sum everything to date and divide by 150 to see my average investment per share at this point. I originally bought 150 shares and paid $173.54 for them. I haven't bought or sold any shares since that original purchase on August 1st, but when I factor in all of the covered call and cash secured put premiums, I've brought my average investment per share down to $162.85. Let's take a quick look at the net liquidating value for the position and see what this week's profit loss sum is. The net liquidating value for the entire NVIDIA position, including the 150 shares and then the negative numbers for the put and the call that I just opened, is $26,459. I sum my total expense and income and the net liquidating value. So compared to last week, I am almost exactly where I was, just about $8 better. And that is in spite of the fact that the share price of NVIDIA has pulled back slightly this week. So once again, my option sales are cushioning the portfolio and helping me increase my profit and reduce my losses.